Hey guys, this is my firearm collection of January 2023. I was about to say 22, but I'm not supposed to say 22 because it's already over. And yeah, so right here, we have the System Sensor P2R Spectral Advance. These things are like old. Like I'm not kidding. This one's actually used, as you see. And the newer L series doesn't have those pegs right there. And it has something down there that shows a candela. Watch, I'll show you. This is my System Sensor P2WL-LF. Low frequency sender. See? It shows the candela down here. And you flip it. Yeah, it's a major difference because the Spectral Advance is pretty old, if you ask me. I know. Other people might make that opinion, but to me it's old. Again, old Gentex Commander 3 strobe. It's a good thing. I meant to say Pole Station Collection too at the beginning, but here's my Gentex. The GX93-W fire alarm mini horn. Ow. Horn. And this is the GES3 24WW 24 power. I don't know. 24 volt horn. I mean strobe. Just strobe. This one's 12 volt or 24. This right here is the NBG12LR Agent Release Pole Station. This is the Upvote manual call point pole station. They call it a call point for some reason, but it ain't a call point. You push and pull down. It's not a call point. Call point's when you push them in. I'm getting one. Probably around February, which is a long time. Not really a long time, but here's another one of those agent release pole stations. BG12, not L. This is the one with the hex key, so it's just called the BG12. Put a little label down there. Let me close this. Is it close? Okay. Right up there is the EST, or Kitty, Sega 278, if you want to call it. Not my opinion, but your opinion. Now I will be counting something else as my firearm device because it's used for it. Okay, Simplex T-Bar 209999754. Pull down like that, and big people pull down like that. Very cool. Alright. Yep, you get the drill. Get it? Drill. And here's my firearm silent switch. That's all for today, guys. Sorry I didn't tell you I got that new. It's a mini one. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Later.